Hello everyone and welcome back to Ranjan Batra Tech Talks. We often talk about how AI is changing our world for the better. Smarter phones, better healthcare, amazing new apps. But there's another story to this story, a darker side. Right now, as you are watching this, an invisible war is being fought. It's not in a battlefield, but inside our servers, our phones, and our social media accounts. On one side, AI is being trained as our ultimate digital guardian. But on the other side, cyber criminals are weaponizing the same technology to create attacks so sophisticated. They are almost undetectable. This isn't a science fiction anymore. This is new reality of cybersecurity. So in today's video, we are going to break down this AI arms race. How are hackers using AI? How are we fighting back? And most importantly, what does this mean for you? So let's first understand how the bad guys are using the AI. Their game has completely changed. First up, we have AI powered phishing and social engineering. Forgot those old emails with the spelling mistakes. Attackers are now using generative AI, the same tech behind ChatGPT, to write perfect personalized emails. They can analyze your public data from LinkedIn, Facebook, and even craft a message that seems like it's from your colleague or a friend. But it gets scarier. They can use deepfake technology to clone your CEO's voice and leave a voicemail asking for a urgent money transfer. Same thing happened with a company in UAE, and they were tricked out of $35 million by a voice deepfake. The company name is not disclosed, but it's in there. This is real and is happening. Next is something called polymorphic malware. Think of it as a shape-lifting virus. Old antivirus software looks for a very specific signature to identify a threat. But AI-powered malware can rewrite its own code every time it infects a new device. It's constantly changing, making it incredibly difficult for traditional security to catch those. And finally, the most advanced threat, adversarial AI. This is where attackers poison the data, the defensive AI system that they learn from. By feeding them bad information, they can create blind spots, essentially making our AI guardians blind to real threats. So they use some sort of like different weapons that I have talked about: hyper realistic phishing, AI writes perfect emails, there's another deepfake voice and video scams, then there is polymorphic malware, there is adversarial AI. So how are we fighting back? Well, we are fighting fire with fire. The cybersecurity industry is using AI to build a smarter, faster, and more predictive shield. The biggest advantage is AI powered threat detection and anomaly analysis. Instead of just looking for known viruses, and defensive AI learns a normal rhythm of a company's network. It knows what a normal day looks like. So when an employee suddenly starts downloading huge files at 3 a.m. from a different country, the AI flags it instantly. This is something a human team could easily miss. We are also seeing the rise of AI security assistants. Tools like Microsoft Security Copilot are giving human analysts a powerful AI partner. They can ask the AI questions in plain English, like show me all suspicious login attempts from the last hour, and get an instant summarized report. This allows security teams to respond in minutes, not hours. And some of the key players in the same space are companies like Darktrace, which uses self-learning AI to protect networks, and CrowdStrike, which uses AI to protect individual devices, or what we call endpoints. So there are different shields that we can use. So the first shield is anomaly detection. AI learns what's normal and spots deviations. Second shield could be AI security assistants like Microsoft Security Copilot, Google's Cloud Security AI, and Thirdly, it could be predictive threat intelligence, AI that predicts attacks before they happen. There are some key tools which we can use like Darktrace, CrowdStrike, Vectra AI. So who is winning this AI's arms race? The truth is, it's a constant back and forth. For every new defensive technique, attackers are already working on a way to beat it. This might sound like a problem for big company, but it affects all of us. The security of your bank account, your email, even your personal photos depends on this invisible battle. So what can you do? While the experts build better AI shields, our role in this has become more critical than ever. The basics are no longer optional. Some of the key actions that we can take. Firstly, enable multi-factor authentication, what we call as MFA everywhere. This is your single best defense. Even if they steal your password, they can't get in. Secondly, we can use password manager. Stop reusing the same passwords. Let a manager create and store those strong and unique passwords for every account. Lastly, be spectacle. If an email or message creates a sense of urgency, pause and verify. Call the person directly if you need to. Don't click email. The AI revolution in cybersecurity is here. It's making our defenses smarter, but it also making the threats more formidable. The future of our digital safety will depend on staying one step ahead in this incredible technological race. That's all for today's Tech Talk. I hope this gives you a clear picture of what's happening behind the scenes in the world of cybersecurity. If you find this video helpful, you know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the tech that shapes our world. Until then, see you in the next video.